So children, this is the last part of the landforms of the earth. Okay, so today we are going to deal with the importance of the plains and the questions as well. When we make a comparative study as to the importance of the plateaus and the mountain and the plains, we see that plains are of great importance, and it is very thickly populated because the topography of the plateaus and the mountain does not allow population to settle in those area, so it is not thickly populated. When we say plains, what comes to our mind is very densely populated area, okay, and very developed area. But some of the plains, because it is too hot or too cold or too humid for any kind of human activities, that's why those plains are not developed at all. Plains mostly are very fertile piece of land because it is formed due to the deposition of the alluvial soil that has been brought down from the mountainous area. So the agricultural activities can be practiced in the plain region without any difficulty. And on the whole, we can see that the depositional plains, especially the alluvial plain, they are very fertile piece of land. And the plain region also have an advantage, that is they have very long growing season, which helps in the growth of many of the crops. And especially in the tropical plain region, crops can be rotated, or crop rotation can be done. Different varieties of crop can be grown because it has a very long growing season. Since the plains are very fertile piece of land, that's why if you happen to go into history, you'll see that the most important civilizations of the world has basically developed around the plain region. Okay, like the Indus Valley civilization, it has developed along the water body, as well as the Mesopotamian civilization and Egyptian civilization, they have developed along the plain region. When we say plains, what comes to our mind? A very flat land comes to our mind. So plains, since they are flat land, that's why it can support dense population. Not only that, those flat lands are very suitable for the construction of roadways, railways, waterways, and airways. So that way it is of great advantage. And industrialization is also facilitated in the plain region. So how is the industrialization facilitated in the plain region? Because it is a flat land, that's why there are many infrastructural facilities, good network is there, transportation network is there, as well as construction of various kinds of industries also takes place because of the flatness of the land. So even the big cities, they have developed in the plain region. So obviously there's lots of supply of labor, which is a very important aspect for industrialization. So this has brought about development of industrialization in the plain region. So we can see industrialization taking place in the plain region. So we can see that agriculture, industry, trade and commerce are the main occupation that takes place in the plain area, and that is attracting lots of people. So the density of population in the plain region is huge or extensive. Girls, we have completed the chapter on landform. I've given you the question here, you might be seeing it, so please do those questions as well. Okay, apart from the questions, I will be marking and sending in the WhatsApp group. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you.